Hi there, it's Dawn Mucci and welcome to my office. I wanted to come on and talk to you today about something that's really important for you to consider when you're out there looking to purchase a business through the franchise model. There are so many opportunities to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself through the franchise model. But not all franchises are created equal. A number of people think franchising is all about fast food, but it really isn't. The biggest sector in franchising right now is the service sector. And one of the fastest growing sectors right now, and poised to be growing exponentially over the next 5 years, is the children's hair care business. Now, I've been running Lice Squad for over 24 years. And in that 24 years, I've learned a lot. And one of the things I've learned is the importance of selecting the right franchise system for you. Something you're passionate about, something you can see yourself doing every day, gladly without pay, but pay is the extra bonus. And something that you are wanting to deliver as a service to help people in your community. If you want a good lifestyle, you want to give back to your community through service, you want to make good money, you might want to consider a children's hair care franchise. And I'm not just saying that because I am the franchisor of LiceSquad.com and Superhero Kids Hair with Care. I'm saying that because you don't want to be in a business that you're not passionate about and that's not giving you those things that you really want out of business ownership. Anybody can buy a franchise, but not everyone is going to be successful in franchising. Something else that's crucial that you look for when you are selecting a franchise is not only one that's poised to grow, that's already proven successful, that's integral to the community, that will provide you a good lifestyle and good income. You want to find a founder who has passion, somebody who's been in the game a long time, someone who loves what they do and who they do it with, and someone who is a leader and can teach you to be a leader. For me, when I select and award a franchise, it's not to someone who's got the money or who just wants to, buy a business and just have someone else run it. I want people who are passionate about what we do and passionate about helping the community. And I want people who are leaders, who can be teachable and coachable, who want to follow the system and become leaders in their community and create a team and lead a team to success. And that's what it's all about. It's leadership, it's mentorship, it's passion, it's believing in what you're doing and being of service to your community in a really important way. And that is what Lice Squad does. Now, we've, as I mentioned, for 22 years have helped over 2 million people solve their lice issue, and we are across the country. There are many opportunities still available, but what I recognized after the pandemic was that there is nothing out there that actually addresses and serves the needs of the autistic community. Families and children living with autism are about 1 in 4, so about 40% of our population has somebody living on the spectrum. And I recognize that not only from the lice removal perspective, but haircuts. Kids that are on the spectrum need a private, quiet space to have their hair cut, something that's not too stimulating, and they need a provider that knows how to help families and children living with autism. And that is why I started Superhero Kids Hair with Care as a secondary addition to Lice Squad. So now we run lice removal clinics and Superhero Kids Hair with Care salons, and we are all things kids hair care now, not only providing those 2 essential services to the community, but also providing a full line of kids hair care that is made and designed for people that have sensitivities. So our products are tear-free, paraben-free, scent-free, dye-free. And we wanted to do that because we recognize a number of, children and even adults have chemical sensitivities, and so we can meet that need. The other thing you want to look for when you're selecting a franchise is not only a founder who's passionate and that is a leader and that can teach you to be a leader, but also people. It's the people that are involved in the company. So you want to look at the head office support team, the field coaching team. You want to look at, the company from the ground up. And that's what's important when you are investigating franchises, that you make your application, and when you're selected to move on to the discovery phase, you get the disclosure document, which gives you everything you ever wanted to know about that business, about that founder, and about every other franchisee that's ever been in the system, that is currently in the system, or maybe leaving the system. And it's important to do your due diligence. Number one, get a good franchise lawyer, get a good accountant, have somebody go over these franchise disclosure documents and franchise agreements with you to make sure that they are a good business decision for you. And just know that these agreements and these disclosure documents are pretty congruent, and there's not going to be many changes made to the franchise agreement itself, but that the franchisor created that franchise agreement to be the benefit to you and the franchisor equally. It is a relationship that's of equal value, and it shouldn't be outweighed in any way. So the franchise agreements are designed so that there's mutual success and congruency in that agreement. But it's again important to do your due diligence. I, as a franchise owner, I work hard for my franchisees. I work hard for my staff. I care deeply about their success. I care deeply about my customers. I care deeply about promoting the brand, doing as much media and educating as I can to help my franchisees and get exposure for the brand, so that people know who we are and where to go when they need specific help for either head lice or getting haircuts for their kids. Now, the next most important thing you can do for me is to subscribe and become a member of this channel. Not only do I talk about business and franchising, I talk about all things head lice, and there's a whole suite of videos here that once you're a member and you subscribe, you have access to. So do-it-yourself videos, diagnostic videos, prevention videos, just fun videos. I do weirdo videos like ASMR head lice videos and lice popping videos, and just different things in and around the head lice space. And I'm always happy to answer questions or create videos that might be of interest to the viewers. So if you could finally do me that one favor and subscribe, become a member, I'll look forward to sharing more information with you. And please reach out to me, dawn@licesquad.com, or 888 Lice Squad, if you want to know about becoming a franchise owner, an employee, or a consultant, or if you have any questions regarding head lice, you can email help@licesquad.com. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a lice-free day.